Hi, it's Claire from Couture, and today I'm going to show you how to make a twisted cord. I'm making one probably smaller than you would in reality, but I've only got this space to work with. So I've just taken 1.5 meters of our cheeky chunky yarn, and I'm going to put a knot in the middle of it like so. And then over here, I've just got one of my craft boxes, and I've just got a bulldog clip on the top of it. And I'm just going to pop that yarn over the bulldog clip because I need some tension on it. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to start twisting this yarn round and round. Can you see? It's starting to look like that. Okay. So we just keep going. You can press fast forward now, because it may take me a little while. Not that long though, in all reality. Just have a cup of tea. Have a cup of tea while you're watching. You'll be fine. So I'm just keeping going round and round. I'm just taking both pieces just round and round. And what I'm looking is, can you see it's starting to twist back on itself? We want it to twist back on itself a lot. So let's keep going. We use this pattern or this twisted cord on our Santa sack and a few other projects. And it's just quite a good skill to have in your crafting toolkit. When you want a cord that looks a little bit fancy, this is an easy cord for you to make. And of course, you can make it with any type of yarn. You might want to use, more strands, or you might want to you could use different colours. You could use thinner yarn. Can you see? It's starting to curl back, but we need it to curl back more than that. So I'm just going to keep going round and round and round and round. In reality though, this doesn't take a long time compared to how much time you would have taken to knit your Santa sack. This is one of the final touches that you'll use, and it doesn't take that long. When you're making a long one, what you might want to do is hang this over a door hook, because you'll have pieces that are longer, I imagine, that you'll be working with, so that might be easier. But this is just for the purposes of this video. So let's have a look where we're going now. So it's pretty much going back on itself now, and I feel quite confident that that's going to make what I want to make. So I'm just going to take it off, and I'm just going to hold that little loop on my finger, and then I'm just going to twist, just going to get this cord and just let it work itself out. Just run your fingers up and down it a few times, and if you can see, it's now making this lovely, lovely cord. How cool is that? I really like that. Just looks like. There we go. So to finish this, what you need to do is just take the ends, the working ends, and just tie a loop in it, because we don't want it to go anywhere else. We don't want it to unravel. So we'll just tie a loop there. And then if you've made one for your Santa sack, you'll then tie a loop in the other end, like that. So we've now got a cord that's looking like this. And then what you'll do is you will take your scissors and you will just snip off these ends, like so. And get rid of that. You might leave yours a little bit longer. And we snip off the other end, like that. And then you've got a lovely cord to use on your projects. I hope that's helpful. If you've liked this video, please do press the like button down below and subscribe for more videos. It's been great spending time with you. Thank you guys.